This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: hero level, ascension, and available cores. Once done, open the Transcendence menu and choose the Only Way tab. Make sure your core count is visible. You should decide the target hero and its primary stat direction now, because the core is limited and selective. Spend the first core on a low-risk roll to reveal mechanics. This teaches you how outcomes shift. Keep resources ready for immediate rerolls, and avoid locking in undesired substats prematurely. You proceed by using one core per roll and observing the displayed probabilities and modifiers. This is where learning compounds. Once a roll shows your hero's primary stat approaching a safe threshold, lock it to preserve progress. If the menu shows a modifier or bonus, exploit it immediately. These increase success rates. When probabilities exceed 50%, invest currency for selective rerolls to push substats higher. Remember to pace attempts, because burning many cores at once raises risk of wasted results. You finish by confirming Only Way when the primary stat and essential substats match your build goals. Lock everything and exit. If results are poor, first check for any short refund windows or low-cost reroll options to recover value. If neither exist, use a conservative strategy. Spend small amounts to nudge one stat at a time rather than sweeping rerolls. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hit repeated bad RNG, pause and accumulate spare cores and currency. Then retry with a revised locking plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.